So today I thought I'd do a quick tool review, show you a couple of my favourite spanners, or wrenches as you might call them. We call them spanners. Only really going to show them to you because they're a little bit different from anything I've seen elsewhere. So grab them out, show you all up. So here they are. They're a ratcheting wrench made by Powerbuilt. But the interesting thing about these is they're actually 4 sizes in one. So on this side we've got 14 and 19 mil. This side 17 and 18 mil. Reversible. Nice kind of high ratchet count ratchet. Lifetime warranty from Powerbuilt. These are good wrenches. If you're short on space, they're the way to go. Also got the smaller one, which is 8 and 10, 12 and 13. Same again. Nice high tooth count ratchet, reversible, lifetime warranty, quality stuff from Powerbuilt. Big fan of anything Powerbuilt. In fact, I'll show you some of my other Powerbuilt wrenches. These ones here, the big monsters. This is a 19mm spanner wrench, 410mm, 16.5 inches long. Again, this one's got a ratchet at one end, and I think you call that a box wrench, ring spanner, the other end. Got a full set of these. I don't think they make these anymore, that's why I didn't really review them. But they go all the way from 8mm up. You get way too much torque on an 8mm nut with one of these, so be careful when you use it. Probably get way too much torque on a 90mm nut with that one. But yeah, recommend these ones. Recommend anything from Powerbuilt. Thank you very much. Have a good day.